Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add links to your YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your YouTube on your Chrome browser. Now go to your customization on the left side. Now scroll down and here you will see the links section. Now click on add link and here you can give the title to your link and here you have to enter your link. So now I am entering my Instagram link on my YouTube channel. So I just pasted the link here and I just give the title Instagram and I will just write follow me on Instagram. So that's how it is. Now when you have added the link, you have to just click on publish and the link will be updated. And if you want to delete the link or the URL, just click on the remove button and the link will be removed. So just click on publish and the link has been updated to your YouTube. So that's how it is. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.